مشاهدينا الكرام، اهلا وسهلا فيكم بحلقه جديده من حلقاتنا الاسبوعيه رواد الاعمال. ومثل ما عودناكم في كل حلقه ان نستضيف رجلا مميز، ومن زاويه رجال الاعمال الاكثر كفاءه رحبوا معي بالسبيشال بزنس مان مستر سراج، الاونر لشركه تروود انتيريور ديزاين وركرز كومباني. بدايه good afternoon boss.
Good afternoon to you.
Thank you. Mr. Suraj, in the first I want to meet you and let the viewers as well know about your professional life. When you came here to EE, how you started your own business? تفضل.
Say I came to UAE in 1999. So
Yeah.
almost it is 21 years.
Yes.
And we started our business in 2008.
Wow.
So before that we were working in some companies, of course in interior fit out. From there we gained the experience, and after that we decided to start our own, and journey started from 2008.
Bravo.
And is still continuing from last 12 years. We are actually interior fit out and joinery company in which we provide the fit out solutions for a lot of retail outlets, restaurants, spas. We are in hospitality units where we are giving services to a lot of banks, offices, a lot of hotel projects we build.
Bravo.
So this is what we have our own team in which you can see there are a lot of carpenters, there are a lot of MEP technicians, and this is what.
Yes, this is the one what I will ask about the Truewood, about the services what you provide to UAE market and to the others. I mean, what's your special services?
Our special service is to give the service for the interior fit out.
Okay.
So we are doing the complete fit out works for the any outlet like a restaurant, like a spas, like a retail outlet. So if you go to Dubai Mall or any other malls, you can see a lot of retail outlets. So many of outlets are done by us. So we have a lot of prestigious client. We did a lot of luxury brand like Bulgari, Alexander J.
Wow. So it's a brand.
Ujo. So a lot of brands we did. We did a lot of restaurants, interior fit out like Alfana restaurant, Chili's, many more, French bakeries. So that is also done by us.
Very good.
We are doing a lot of banks projects like
As
also
well.
Islamic Bank is our prestigious client.
And
So
yes.
this is regularly we are doing a lot of interior fit out, and plus we have joinery facilities in which we produce a lot of high-end furnitures. And
That's great. Good to hear. So, as an experienced person, Mr. Suraj, and as a owner of your company, what do you think? How you make your company special and different than others? Because if we had looked at Dubai, there is a lot of companies they have the same services.
Correct. See, we believe in quality service.
Wow.
Okay, so
Excellent.
that is what our specialty. See, we got some client in 2009, 2010, and they are still working with us. So that is what we make our reputations. We are very prompt in giving the service. So we are not giving service when there is a construction going on or when there is a fit out going on. We are giving the service once we deliver the product also. For example, we built one restaurant 3-4 years back, but we are still giving them the services. When there is the emergency, we have our
After service, yeah.
Yeah, after service. We have in-house team. So immediately if there is a call, we send our team there, we rectify the issues. So they are back on their track. So they start their business again. So this is what our specialty, where we give
And what do you think? What's the connect between the quality and the price?
Nowadays, overall price is Dubai is a competitive market. So you cannot overcharge. So I think not only my company, all prices are competitive. So our prices are competitive, but we are very much focused on our quality, and that is what we survived last 10 years. Even the COVID, we survived because our client did not went to another contractor. They are still with us.
Bravo.
And that is what are the client we have from last 10 years that is still with us, and I'm sure they will continue doing business with us.
Inshallah, we hope for you to grow more and more with your company, Mr. Suraj,
Thank
and to
you.
be in a high level because you deserve it. Now, as a businessman, where you can find yourself after 2 years from now? What's your vision in the future?
See, vision, of course, now in UAE, almost all Emirates we are working. Now, the next focus is actually e-market. So we are actually doing the project-based service. So we are taking the project and we are executing. So in future, we want to go to the e-market. E-market means something like people can search the furniture or people can give the order online and we'll produce the furniture and we'll deliver to them. So I think this is the future. This is what the vision.
Of course, because also after COVID, all of the world is going to technology.
Correct. So this is what idea where people used to order online a lot of products like a grocery, a lot of watch, and So these things they can order the furniture online, or they can order the furniture. We can manufacture the furniture according to their requirement, and we can deliver. So this is what the idea. So we'll work on it.
Inshallah, we will see you in e-market as well. Mr. Suraj, you know that we are living here in UAE country, the best country in the world.
Dubai is the one where East and West come together. So Dubai is a very advanced market. So actually when we are doing our project, we are enjoying the project. The reason is there is the advanced construction, advanced interior designs. There are a lot of big designers are in Dubai, and we work on lot of prestigious projects. So Dubai gave us the opportunity to work on the very high-end projects, and because we work in Dubai, we have so confidence that any part of the world we can work very efficiently and very smoothly. That is what the confidence developed by the UAE infrastructure and UAE's overall growth.
Yes.
And we are the part of that growth. And everybody knows, if you see the UAE growth in last 20 years is fabulous. It's
amazing.
It is amazing actually.
Yes, amazing.
And we are the one which is the small part in that growth. And that builds us the confidence, and that is what we are. Our existence is in. We started in Saudi, and coming days we are going to enter in Indian market also. These all things we can able to do because of the UAE gave us the confidence.
Of course, and the opportunity, yes. And really from our channel we will thank the leadership and the president of UAE.
Of course, thanks to all of them.
Yes, and I will thank you, Mr. Suraj, to accept us here in your special factory and special company. Where is your location to tell the viewers?
We are located in Algos Industrial 2 and near Dubai Driving Center.
Yes.
We have facilities here. Our whole team are here. Our project managers, our designers, everybody is here. And of course, we are available for
welcome to everyone. Yes. So, my dear viewers, the contact number down of our screen with the website and the email for the True Wood Interior Design Works. We will go some round and make the reportage for you. I will thank you again for your time, Mr. Suraj.
Thank you so much. Thanks for coming.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا نختم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا Friday and Saturday in Samarain TV and ABC Arabia TV and social media. دمتم بخير وفي أمان الله.